I am for the appellate, Your Lordship. I request for 2 weeks' time.
Last time it was adjourned at your request, and before that also on 24 to 2.
Lordship, on the last occasion, on the request of respondent, it was at Your Lordship. On the last occasion.
No, for the last 2 occasions at the request of the Land Council for the petitioner. There is no tribunal, land tribunal?
Yes, my submission is that if the original order has been passed by the additional collector, that is
Additional collector.
that is impugning the writ petition. But against that order, there is provision of appeal, revision, then tribunal.
My lord, in this case, my lord, senior counsel Jiten Singh has to argue the case, my lord. So as a matter of last indulgence, my lord, 1 week time be granted, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord, I will satisfy your lordship that if the order is without jurisdiction, my lord, then the alternative, on the ground of alternative, the interpretation cannot.
Jurisdiction means who has the jurisdiction?
My lord, there is a condition precedent under section 9 of the Bihar Mutation Act 2011 to exercise the power. My lord, in this case, my lord, since the senior counsel has to argue the case, my lord, that on account of personal difficulty, my lord, as a matter of last indulgence, my lord, 1 week time be granted, my lord.
So where is the Land Tribunal Act?
Yes.
Act and rules.
Act and rules both. Yes. Section.
Who has applied for cancellation of Jamabandi?
Lordship, my vendor.
Vessel.
My vendor. I am the purchaser. Who has also filed appeal. That appeal is also pending. My vendor applied for cancellation of Jamabandi.
Jamabandi or cancellation could be into. Correct me. Huh?
Section 9 of Act 2011 years. Moreover, after cancellation of Jamabandi additional.
Then who is the competent authority according to you?
My lord, my mutation is based on registered sale deed.
Whatever it may be, sir.
My lord,
Could be cancelled by which competent authority?
my lord, it should be cancelled by the competent court of civil jurisdiction, my lord, in exercise of power 31 of a specific relief act, my lord. Because there is a provision under section 31 of the specific relief act which postulate that any registered instrument shall be cancelled by the competent court of civil jurisdiction, my lord. The additional correction in exercise of power based on the registered sale deed does not have jurisdiction to cancel the registered sale deed. And directing the concerned authority to extract of the name of the person which name has been registered based on the registered sale deed.
Your Lordship, in this case, sale deed has not been cancelled. He has cancelled a Jamabandi running in the name of the person who is not competent. Then, and it has been remanded by the authority concerned to make inquiry and pass a fresh order after proper investigation. That has been done by the additional collector.
No, first of all, where is the power of
Yes, Your Lordship.
additional collector to cancel the Jamabandi? Where is
Section 9 of the Act. Then subsection 6.
Provision under section 9.
And then subsection 6 is a provision for appeal. Subsection 6. Then section 7A is the provision for revision. Therefore, my submission is that without availing the alternative remedy, he has come before this honorable court directly. Section 7 is for revision. Then Bihar Land Tribunal under the Land Dispute Resolution Act.
Appeal against agency of order and judgment. When there is the provision for cancellation of Jamabandi by additional collector in section 9, how can you say that he has got no jurisdiction?
My lord, my lord, kindly see section 6 of subsection 9. My lord, which says that the mutation claim on the basis of transfer through sale, purchase, gift or exchange shall not be allowed unless it is registered. So, my lord, the read petitioner case is, my lord, in 1978. My lord, the read petitioner purchased the aforesaid land through the father of the respondent, present appellant, my lord. And on the basis of which, my lord,
What kind of Jamabandi could be cancelled by the additional collector?
my lord, if Jamabandi is created in contravention, my lord, kindly see the verbatim of section 9.
No, section 6, sir.
Section 6 only deals with the, my lord, the condition precedent for disposal of mutation, my lord. Section
Cancellation, title itself cancellation.
Section 9, my lord. Section 9 deals with the provision of cancellation of Jamabandi. Cancellation of Jamabandi under section.
No, under what circumstances this section
My lord,
9 is invoked?
my lord, the learned single judge has considered this aspect, my lord. There is a 3 condition precedent under which the Jamabandi can be cancelled by the additional collector, my lord. Which does not fulfill the criteria, my lord, by the petitioner.
No, which are those criteria?
My lord, if the my Jamabandi is based on registered sale deed, it shall only be cancelled by filing of the civil suit by the competent court of civil jurisdiction in exercise of power 31 of a specific relief act, my lord. Otherwise, if my mutation case is based on registered sale deed and his case is directed to be create Jamabandi, it means it has impliedly cancelled the registered sale deed, my lord. He has usurped the power of the competent.
Where it is in section 9.
My lord.
Lordship, mutation and Jamabandi both are different things.
Allow him to say. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Section 9.
Yes, my lord. The additional collector, either suo motu an application, shall have power to make inquiries in respect of any Jamabandi which has been created in violation of any law. There is a first condition, my lord, which postulate in contravention of any law. There is a condition precedent first, my lord. Second, my lord, for the time being in force or in contravention of any executive instruction is issued in this behalf. Any executive instruction issued in this behalf, my lord. There is a 2 condition, my lord, for cancellation of Jamabandi, my lord, in exercise of power under section 9 of the Bihar Mutation Act 2011. So, the additional collector has taken note of the facts, my lord, कि the Jamabandi of the respondent in the insta court appeal, my lord, has purchased the aforesaid piece of land in the 1978, my lord, and 1981 through registered sale deed, my lord, on the basis of which Jamabandi number 109 of 101 and 190 of 121 was created in favor of the respondent herein, my lord. Instead of filing of civil suit.
No, how it is violated according to the additional collector?
Additional collector does not have power, my lord.
All right, sir, what is his, on what basis he has cancelled?
He has cancelled on the basis of the inspection made by the Halka Karmachari, my lord. Only that basis, since the
That is not permissible under.
that is not permissible under the law, my lord. Therefore, my submission before your lordship for kind consideration, my lord, that my lord, the proposition is, my lord, if my lord, I draw, my lord, since there is no book, my lord, since the senior council has to argue the, my lord, since my lord, I draw my lord's attention, my lord, kindly, my lord, AR 9060, my lord, page 430, my lord, in which, my lord, the Honorable Apex Court has reiterated the issues, my lord. The purchase first shall prevail over the later, my lord. So, my respondent herein is a first purchaser. He is the second, he is without cancellation of the registered instrument, my lord, has filed an application before the additional collector for cancellation of Jamabandi. That is impermissible in law.
Was any judicial pronouncement on this?
My lord, I will show, my lord.
Why
Therefore,
you are not brought?
since, my lord, the senior council has to argue this case, my lord, therefore, my lord, I am apologize, my lord, for that, my lord. There is a judgment of the
One of the questions for consideration in the present, sir, this is whether writ is maintainable against the order of additional collector in cancelling Jamabandi or not. For use of section 9 of section 9 of Bihar Land Mutation Act, 2011. Additional collector is empowered to cancel Jamabandi. So, Land Council for the respondent submitted that no doubt the Jamabandi could be cancelled by the additional collector, such a circumstances is not warranted in the present case. So it is submitted that the respondent is stated to have purchased land from the then owner of the land, and it is registered. Once it is registered, in that event, if there is any civil dispute relating to entry of Jamabandi, remedy would be under civil code in seeking a declaration, entry of the respondent name in Jamabandi in a particular land, to be declared as void by only civil court. So, on this point, Land Council for the respondent hereby directed to furnish a judicial pronouncement under what circumstances additional collector has no authority to cancel Jamabandi.
In support of my
I may add some point to it.
Lordship, I have cited judgment 2014 volume 1 Supreme Court. 2014 volume 1 SCC. 2014 volume 1 SCC about the alternative remedy. I have to cite Lordship. I am also.
On the other, next day you give.
yes,
I am also the purchaser. He is also the
my
purchaser.
lord,
Both are purchaser of the
there is a
same.
judgment of the Honorable Apex Court by Honorable Justice R.F. Nadiman, my lord. The writ petition cannot be.
Without that, you can't cite orally.
My lord, that is.
At the judgment.
Yes, my lord. And second.
After dictation, you can't argue the matter.
Sorry, my lord.